Okay, so hello everyone. I'm here for the tuples part 2. I've already done the introduction and basic things I've already covered in part 1. So if you want, you can check that video that is of part 1, and then you can come back to part 2. So here I'm going to discuss all about the important methods of tuples, length function, count function, index function, sorted, and minimum and maximum. So suppose if I have a is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30, okay, and if I want to know about length of this a, then what I can do is I can write len and then I can write a. So it is showing me that it is 3. Then next one is the count. So we'll take the same thing only, but we will modify also here. If I write comma 20 comma 50 comma 10 again comma and again 10. So I'm writing 10 actually purposely 3 times. Then if I write print, and then if I write a dot count, and if I write I'm interested in counting 10. Okay, so it is how many times? 3 times. Then same way, if I'm interested in finding the index of that number. Okay, so again the same thing only, like a is equal to 10, 20 and 30. And suppose print, and I am interested in a dot index, and I want to know index number of 20. Okay, so it is showing me 1. Okay, and same way, if you suppose write the value which is not there, for example 40, which is not there in that, so you will find the error something like this. Okay, then we have a sorted function. So if I write a is equal to, and if I write 4 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2, something like this, and then I will write b is equal to sorted, and I am interested in sorting the numbers which are there in a. Okay, and then I will print b. Okay, so I'm getting answer as what? 1 2 3 4. So obviously this function, which is a default sorting order, is ascending and will return the sorted list of item. You can see square brackets. And suppose if I print original list, original are not tuples, then it is round bracket 4132. And if you want to print answer in descending order, then same thing only, I'm going to take a is equal to this. Okay, and then b is equal to, I will write sorted a comma, and I will write reverse equal to true. Okay, and then I will print b. So you all can see I'm getting answer as 4321. Then same way, like minimum number and maximum number. So a is equal to 10, 5, 15, 20, 90 and 45 and 2, something like this. Okay, a is equal to, and then if I write print minimum of a, so it is 2, and print maximum of a, then it is 90. Then we can have a concept of tuple packing and unpacking. So if I write a equal to 1, then b is equal to 2, then c is equal to 3, and then d is equal to 4, something like this actually. And then if I write tuple one variable t equal to a comma b comma c comma d, and then if I write print, and if I write t, so everything is packed into one tuple, that is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. And same way unpacking, it is a reverse of that packing only. If I have a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, only 3 elements. Okay, and then I will write x comma y comma z equal to, I will write a. Okay, and then I will write print statement, print x equal to whatever is the x. Okay, then same way y equal to whatever y, and same way z equal to z. So you all can say x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to 3. So this is all about some of the important tuples function. So thank you everyone.